Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joetecktips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and we're going to record a program. I have a buddy of mine on the phone right now. Say hello.
Hello.
And he is his name is Courtney. He's another tech buddy of mine, and he has asked me to run Reflections, and it's a piece from Star Wars, and should be interesting to see. See if it records. There we go. Let's see how she looks. 48 frames per second. Unbelievable.
I heard Kylo Ren destroyed the one over in D
I'm just in awe. Still in awe after running this over and over again.
What?
So funny. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this without me interrupting the audio and let it go straight through the second time around. Can't believe this is real-time ray tracing. This is unfucking believable. No, it is.
You think she heard us?
It is. Considering how computer graphics are nowadays, that's absolutely amazing.
I think she heard us.
At
least we blend in for once.
RTX 3090.
Unbelievable. All right, so I'm not going to say anything now. So keep quiet. We'll let it run.
What's the story with all the elevators lately? I heard Kylo Ren destroyed the one over in D sector. If you ask me, who's ever in charge of this place should be transferred to Hoth. What? What? You think she heard us? Yeah, I think she heard us. At least we blend in for once.
All right, we are finished. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That was an interesting demo. I can't believe we actually hit 48 frames per second. What do you think, Courtney?
I think that looks amazing.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Anyway, guys, please comment below. Tell me what you think. Just so you know, this is an AMD 3960X, 128 gigs of RAM, and an MSI RTX 3090 Supreme X video card, 24 gigs of RAM. Take care, guys. Have a great day.